One of Earth's most captivating natural wonders, yet stimulating and beautiful creations in the world, is a waterfall. There is just something mesmerizing about viewing the water falling into a lake, or the feeling of pure fallen mist on the face. The noise it makes, the quiet volume of water, it's enchanting. Got the concept? We've got you treated with this valuable list of the best waterfalls in Alabama to guide you through your next experience. Number 1. Thompson Falls. Number 2. Chiaha Falls. Number 3. Welty Falls. Number 4. Desoto Falls. Number 5. Little River Falls. Number 6. Upper Cane Creek Falls. Number 7. Turkey Foot Falls, Wild Sepsi Falls. Number 8. Kinlock Falls, Sepsy Wilderness. Number 9. Yellow Creek Falls. Number 10. Noccalula Falls. Number 11. Chiaha Falls. Number 12. Showakla State Park. Number 13. Dismals Canyon Falls. Number 14. Peavine Falls. Number 15. Falling Rock Falls. Above all, it's the reality and beauty of these falls that implies. Rather than spending your cherished holidays visiting obscure waterfalls, or missing prominent ones, have a look at this list of the Alabama's choicest waterfalls. These are incredibly awe-inspiring in their depth. That being said, they are so unique in the world that you should definitely think visiting.